This is my only G1 Claudine doll. This is the Ghoul Sports Claudine that comes in the baseball outfit, but I have her in the original Claudine outfit with random shoes. And I have G3 Buried Secrets. I painted her shoes in a previous video. And I also have G3 Core Refresh Claudine. I painted her jewelry a little bit more shimmery and redid her hair after washing it because I always wash their hair. And so we will be comparing these dolls. Which one do you like the best? And which Claudine out of any Claudine do you like the best? We have the G3 original Claudine. She's looking very cute. The only reason I didn't get her earlier was because I thought it was just like a lot going on. But, you know, I can always change it and make it my own. So that's what we're gonna do today. The artwork on the back is super cute. I have all 4 of these dolls. Her monster type is Colossal Werewolf / Human. Monster must-haves for Illuminator Brush and Blue Moon Spookies, and she has her pet Crescent. Opening this box is pretty easy. You just cut all the tape and pull off the plastic top. I like all the symbols on the side as well. It's pretty cute. All these characters have a lot of like personality and character development and like history. It's really cool and I like all the details they put into it. We have these glasses, pretty cutesy, her fur illuminator brush, her Blue Moon Spookies. They all come with so many snacks, it's pretty cute. And these Howl Bites. This, honestly, I did not know what it was. I was like, oh, does she come with a scarf? No, it's a vest. I figured out it's just pretty cool. And here's Crescent in a cute little different pose. I like getting like the same thing with like slight variations. I don't know. Do you guys like that as well? Is that something that other people like? And getting her out of the box, I'm very excited to look at her compared to the Core Refresh. Do you have all the Core Refresh ghouls as well? Let me know in the comments. And let me know which G3 character you will be excited to see that they haven't created yet. I'm very happy that they have just created Jennifer and I'm going to get her soon. So here she is. She's got these lovely little curls. Her hair is like a light pinky brown. It's barely brown. It's like more light pink, which is cute. It definitely needs help. Look at that nest. So I'm gonna wash it, condition it, and hope for the best. And also this hairstyle is not really my thing. If it's your thing, that's cool, but I'm gonna change it. So the shoes are my favorite part. The shoes and the socks are super cute. Her little handbag, it's functional as well, which I like that about all these Monster High G3 dolls. She has these overalls on, which are really cute, but I think that for me the patterns are just clashing a bit much, and there's like the belt and the jewelry going on. I just need to change it a little bit. So obviously Core Refresh has darker makeup, darker lips, and darker hair. She has a bit of darker theme in her outfit as well. The same like leopard print like motif is happening, which I really like, and the gold jewelry. The regular core doll has black earrings while the Core Refresh has gold. Here are the differences in the shoes. I much prefer the original G3 shoes. Like, not that I don't like the Core Refresh, but the little shoes are just super cute and I would wear them if they came in human. Here's a little phone, which I forgot to show before. It has like a wolf hanging over the top, like those little sunny angels that you can get. So here it is. There is a lot going on, which is really cool, but I need to simplify it for my own taste. So I got this little Bratz mini skirt, which I think goes with her really cutesy, and She's got like some of her cool edgy look back. I love the glasses, but I usually don't keep the glasses on any of my dolls because I lose them like straight away. So I put them all in plastic little bags so I don't lose them. And I like the second option of her outfit with the belt over the top of the skirt. She's looking really cute and she has like a sort of off shoulder top. What do you think? Let me know. Here she is with her nails painted and her hair washed. What do you think of the end result? Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more content. Bye!